It will soon cost more to vape in this province. The Ford government adding a provincial tax to vape products to deter youth from picking up the habit.
We've been advocating for this measure for many years now, and we're pleased that the government has put this forth at a really crucial time in Ontario.
Health advocates warning vape use among the youngest Ontarians is creeping up. A recent study found 1 in 4 high school students currently vape, including 32% of grade 12 students, an increase of 145% since 2015. Ontario's new tax will double the federal vaping tax that was implemented last year, with the province pocketing the additional revenue.
Taxation and price levers are the most powerful tool to deter consumption and to increase quit rates. Youth are among the most price sensitive. So because they have less disposable income, they feel the impact of a price increase that much more.
But not all groups are praising the move. The Convenience Industry Council of Canada is warning this will increase the demand for cheaper, illegal vaping alternatives.
We've seen the movie before, and we know that a tax increase on vape products will also lead to a contraband black market for vape products.
We're told the illegal tobacco market has grown as a result of successive tax increases, with illegal tobacco sales accounting for an estimated 70% of total tobacco consumption in Ontario, money that could be going to the province.
So it really doesn't deal with the public policy objective, which is to reduce smoking rates.
Most young people are buying vape products from legal retail spaces.
News of the new tax was released in Ontario's fall economic statement on Thursday, and other groups are also reacting to it, including the Elementary Teachers Federation of Ontario. They say it doesn't meet the needs of students or educators.
Calling it another missed opportunity to undo damaging cuts, ETFO President Karen Brown says the Ford government has refused to prioritize public education, pointing to a $2.5 billion addition to the province's contingency fund for a total $5.4 billion set aside for a rainy day.
If ever there was a time to be utilizing contingency, it would be now. Post-pandemic public education, there's an enormous learning gap. Students need the funding. We need the additional resources within the classroom.
ETFO is still bargaining with the Ford government after being without a contract for more than a year. Last month, 95% of members voted in favor of a strike if necessary.
Has there been movements, improvements? I definitely believe our strike vote has pushed them to know the level of seriousness for our members.
A spokesperson for the education minister says they've hired an additional 2,000 educators and invested an additional $700 million in this school year alone. They add it is the highest public education funding in Ontario's history. For City News, I'm Tina Yazdani.